Alright guys, welcome back, and we are on lesson 2 today. So, we will just keep on chugging along. Complete 2 more lessons in this skill to unlock the next row. Okay. I wonder what... Okay, so...
Wasser,
Wasser. Which one of these is tea?
Tee.
Same as America. Okay.
Tee und Milch, bitte.
Tea and milk. Milk. Bitte. Yeah. Which one of these are bread?
Brot. Brot. Brot.
Boat? The boat?
Brot. Brot.
It's not a turtle at. Slow it down. Boat? Bot? Boot?
Brot.
Boot. Boat.
Wein.
Wine. Five in a row. Doing good.
Wein.
Wine. So same thing, just spelled a little bit different. Got it.
Wasser, bitte. Danke.
Water, please. Thanks. Wait, think and thanks? Be thanks. Danke.
Danke. Danke.
Isn't it like Dankish or something? Or Dankish. I don't know. So, Wasa. Wata? Please. That was a little bit tricky. Okay, thank you.
Danke.
Oh. So danke is thank you, but then also thanks.
Wasser und Brot, bitte.
Water und bread. But
Brot und Kaffee, bitte.
Hm?
Brot und Kaffee, bitte. Brot und Kaffee, bitte.
what?
Brot und Kaffee, bitte. Und. Brot und Kaffee, bitte. Brot und Kaffee, bitte. Brot und Kaffee, bitte.
So that is oh man, I just did this one. Protein, coffee, und coffee. I can't remember. Bread. Bread. Brought. Okay.
Tee und Wein, bitte.
Tea and wine. Please. Water. Wasser.
Wasser.
Milk. Sorry, milk. Milk.
Milch.
Milk. Wine.
Wein.
And
Hallo.
War. War. War.
What?
War.
Ah? Oh, yeah. Um,
War.
nice. Let's make it harder. Okay. Do it. It's in German. Tee und Wein,
Wein,
bitte.
bitte.
Wasser. Bitte.
Bitte.
Okay.
Danke.
Okay. So what does Danke say? Probably butchering that, but it's like Danke Schenk or Danke Shane. I don't even know. Wonder. Perfect. Did we even get any wrong? I don't even know. Can't remember. You've earned 1 lingot, 1 diamond. Nice job reaching your daily goal. We're gonna go ahead, and since this is a little bit shorter lessons, we're just gonna go ahead and finish off. I think there's only, complete 1 more lesson in this skill to unlock the next row. Maybe that's what I'll do. I don't know. I don't want to do too much, but maybe I'll do section each time, or kind of like the smaller sessions though, kind of like a quick little study thing. Okay, let's see.
Bier.
Nein.
9.
Nein, danke. Nein, danke.
Milch oder Wasser?
Milch. Or.
Oder.
Order.
Oder.
I don't know what those little thing or right, isn't it? I don't know. Milk or water.
Tschüss.
So that's 9. Hello. Donka. That's not beer. I'm guessing that's by
Tschüss.
Truce.
Tschüss.
Hey, that's it. You say or. Yeah.
Oder.
Ja, danke.
Ooh.
Ja.
Right. Yes.
Ja.
Yeah.
Bier oder Wein?
Beer or wine.
Tschüss.
Truce. Like the matching pairs. Tea.
Tee.
Yes, ja,
Ja.
no, nein,
Nein.
Bier,
ja,
Tschüss.
tschüss.
Ra. 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 Ra.
Ah.
Va. La. Ra. Na. Ra.
Oh, that's gonna be a hard one, I bet. Water,
Wasser,
please. Bitte.
bitte,
Yes, ja,
Ja.
tea,
Tee.
wine,
Wein.
Let's do it. No, thank you. 9.
Nein. Danke.
Hello and bye.
Hallo
Und
und
tschüss.
tschüss.
And there you have it. Yay. Right on. And that is basics. Lesson 1. Next is family, and we're gonna go ahead and end this now and then start on this a little bit later. So if you like the video and if you want me to do more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And also let me know what you guys think. If you have any comments, suggestions, whatever, let me know in the comments and I will reply back. Thanks for watching and have a really great day. Bye.